Hey everyone, we're welcoming you to our fourth episode for our season 21. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
and you are watching the Kitty Show, Taraya Natalakin Shubs Edition. And for our easy round, hindi ko alam kung dapat matuwa si Isabel dahil This Must Be Love, ang dramang ito, or dapat bang matuwa si Natalie Cole kasi parang may semblance of we are starting all over again. Kasi nga, si Clau Clau, oy, ang sweet. Si Clau Clau, si Claudine Barreto, binate ang kanyang ex na si Mark Anthony Fernandez nung kaarawan nito, kamakailan, at hindi lang basta binate, binate ha, that's the right term, hindi binate. Baka mamaya iba na naman narinig nyo.
Aray ko, greeted na lang. Ano ka ba?
Greeted, binati.
Mag-English ka na lang. Charot.
Tapos, pinaghanda niya pa
Mm.
ng birthday surprise ang kanyang ex. And in her post, she was really, really proud of the fact that despite their separation, Mark continues to be protective of her
Mm.
and really treats her as always special and dear to him.
Bigyan mo ako ng unan, matutulog na ako.
What can you say about sa pag-andar ni Clau Clau na binati niya ang kanyang ex at pinaghanda ba ito? A. Is she doing this for Clau? B. Is she doing this because she wants to be noisy? C. She's doing this kasi talagang love, 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 love at forever is not enough ang pagmamahal niya para kay Mark Anthony.
One,
Mm.
it's a use me in a sentence scenario.
Sino nang gagamit? Si Claudine, si Mark?
Siyempre si Claudine.
Okay, use me in a sentence because...
Because she's not being talked about.
Oh, okay.
Kaya, she's found a perfect, a perfect issue to get talked about.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
The birthday of an ex. Okay.
Number two, it has always been Claudine's trademark
Mm-hmm.
to use people.
Oh! It's a loaded statement, Mare,
Diba?
ha? Okay.
She has not run out of gimmicks
Mm-hmm.
to bolster
Mm-hmm.
and to make her relevant
Mm-hmm.
until this day.
Okay.
Number three, if she doesn't do this, she's no longer Claudine Barreto.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba?
Okay.
I mean, ang daming naging ex ni Claudine.
Okay.
Di ba?
Mm-hmm.
All of them were talked about
Mm-hmm.
by her.
Yes.
Di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Ibig sabihin, she was the one initiating issues,
Oh.
whether against her or whether it favors her.
Okay.
Di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Number four, she cannot be stopped.
Mm-hmm.
No amount of persuasion can make her stop
Mm-hmm.
people or using people.
Okay.
Di ba? Walang makakatapos noon.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not surprising at all.
Mm-hmm. Ako, ang gusto ko lang sa fact na to is at least to buhay.
Ah.
Buhay si Mark Anthony.
Mm-mm.
Diba? At kung sakasakali mang papatusin siya, buhay na buhay. Hindi kagaya ng paggamit niya kay Rico yan.
Mm.
Diba?
Ah,
Sa akin, mas offensive yung paggamit niya kay Rico yan. Dahil ang tagal na nitong 6 feet under.
Mm-mm.
Diba? Pero tuwing nagbe-birthday na lang si Rico yan, nilalabas na yung mga love letters, at naging niyang binabalikan na kalipas na hindi dapat balikan. And diba, recently, may drama pa siyang gusto niyang tawagin na siyang Claudine Barreto yan.
Diyos
Na
ko.
sinang-ayunan daw ng ma-dear ni Rico. Tama? So ngayon, ako naman, kay Mark Anthony, I'm sure this is very flattering for him. Like, imagine mo, if I remember the post of Claudine, right, parang literal na inaamin ni Claudine na Mark was the first of her everything.
Oo nga. And if she were to relive her life again, pipiliin pa rin niyang
Si
maging
Mark ang maging first
Oo.
love.
Sa
Tama?
lahat.
Oo, di ba?
Di ba? Oo.
So, yun naman pala, Claudine. Eh, bakit hindi si Mark ang pinakasalan mo?
Oo, tsaka
Di ba? huwag na tayo magpakatotoo. Kung bata pa kayo pareho, no, natatanggap ko. Pero kung talaga, if he is that special, edi sana, kung ano man yung mga storms, yung winether, nung kabataan nyo pa, nung kasikatan nyo pa, na weather nyo. At baka sakali ko sa kaya kayo naging mag-asawa, walang hiwala yung nangyari.
The problem with Claudine is that she doesn't know how to move on. Lahat ng haunting past niya, nire-recall niya. That is not moving on.
That is what?
That is dwelling on the past, that did not contribute to the overall development of your personality.
Yes, so true.
Diba? It could have been different if you have not relived any of your past. Kasi ibig sabihin, you have moved on, you have developed a new life, you have progressed.
Okay.
Kasi ito, regression ang nangyayari.
Pero kasi naman, naunawaan ko naman kung bakit niya makalimutan si Mark Anthony. Hindi ba? Lahat naman tayo ay piping saksi nung sex scandal ni Mark. At binakita naman natin lahat kung gano'n kapambihira ang palo-palo nito. So naunawaan ko lang ngayon kung bakit hindi makalimutan ni Claude.
So saan tayo papunta na naman? Tell me.
Ang hirap kalimutan ng ganung bagay na matikas.
Ay, Diyos ko, nakakaloka
Diba?
ito.
Kasampal-sampal. Matikas,
Ay.
matigas,
Ay.
bilugan.
Ay!
Diba? Pag ganun katikas, ganun kabilugan, ang hirap talagang kalimutan.
Ay,
Kaya,
ayaw ng dress ko.
yung ayaw na cleavage ko,
Ay!
oh.
Aray ko. Cleavage ba laban na?
Oo,
Teka. Teka ha, teka.
Kaya, I understand where she's coming from. After I saw that bombastic part of Mark,
Why are you talking with phallic symbol in your mind?
because I saw the follows of Mark sa picture. Natingin mo, hindi na nakita ni Claudine yun. Baka nga hindi na sa picture niya nakita yun, no?
Ay! Ganon?
Diba? If you are claiming on your post that if ever I'm going to live again, tong first love ko, tong mamahalin ko ulit, ano ba minahal niya kay Mark mula ulo hanggang paa?
Ay!
Diba kasama yun sa equations ng mga minahal niya?
Ay!
Pag nagmamahal ka ba, Mars, hindi kasama yon?
Naku,
Don't tell me pure love ka lang.
Diyos ko, parang, yan ba natutunan mo kay ex at saka kay ano? Kay you? Parang you have become, full of wisdom. Parang
Kasi yung mga bahaging yun na talagang minamahal at sinasamba ko sa kanila.
Aray ko, Herschel! Herschel!
Ay!
My God! May bagong may bagong pasok sa eksena.
He's in China. Huwag na siya isama muna.
Aray ko, Diyos ko! Parang he will be back, Diyos ko!
Teka, ayoko muna.
Ay.
Wait, I have to erase.
Nakakaloka.
So, I understand talaga, Claudine, why you love Mark. Di ba?
Ay, parang iisa ang iisa sa salita, sa diwa, at sa gawa. So from now on, I'll call you Cloud?
Wag naman.
Cloud?
Wag naman.
My
Ako hindi ko
God.
naman ginagamit ng Pasko.
Ay,
Ako kaya si Claudine, lahat pas ang ginagamit.
Diyos
Lahat
ko.
naman binabanggit mo, present.
Diyos ko! Diyos ko, parang
Pas-
sukob!
Pasok mga buzzers.
Nakakaloka! Diyos ko!
Pero ako, being a romantic, nakutuwa ako na may mga mag-ex na pwede pala maging magkaibigan na nangyayari ngayon kay Claudine at kay Mark. I think that's very sweet, honestly. If you are going to romanticize, kung tatanggalin mo yung magiging cloud chaser ni Claudine at magiging fame W niya, ang sweet lang tingnan. Mag-ex, magkaibigan, may mga anak na, pero nagkakasundo pa din.
Parang naman Parang use me in a sentence
Yun,
scenario yun
Kaya nga, di ba sabi ko nga, sis, if we are
Diba?
going to romanticize it,
Mm.
but the reality, di ba si Mark Anthony nga, tawa-tawa lang. Yun din nagsasalita. Di ba? Ayaw na lang siraan yung trip ni Claudine. Walang basagan ng trip. Huwag natin basagin ng trip ni Clau. Pagbigyan na lang natin. Wala na mawawala kay Mark.
Kay Claudine ba may mawawala?
Diba? Dignidad. Meron pa ba siya nun? Oh. sa ginagawa niyang yan.
Mm.
Meron pa siya nun.
You think she's bereft of it?
No. Is she bereft of it? Yes.
Mm.
Because if you are like, we always say, as far as relationships are concerned, ito nakuha ko sa iyo, wala kang sinuka na sinubo mo ulit.
Mm-mm.
Pag goodbye mga fungi, goodbye.
Mm-mm.
At yun ang tama. Yun ang state of things when it comes to ex-relationships. Oh. Kung babae kang may dignidad, may respeto ka sa sarili mo, may respeto ka sa kasalukuyan mo, gagawin mo ba yung ganitong paandar?
Mm-mm.
Tama ba ako? Miss Goodbye sa mga fungi?
Well, kasi nga ako, iba ako. I am of different species. Talagang, when it's over, it's over.
Hindi yun nga. Yung what I'm
When
pointing
it's
out is,
period time, it's period
yun
time.
ang pinapoint.
Diba?
Yan ang tama.
Mm-mm.
So, ibig sabihin, mali ang ginagawa mo, Claudine. Diba? Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas,
And you are watching The Kitty Show. Tariana Talakayan Showbiz Edition.
starring Clau Clau. Charot!